And
Ma'am, I think it will be equal to 45 because 45 plus 45 is 90.
see, Rakshita, an angle is greater than 45 degree. So if I say that let the angle be 46 degree, is 46 greater than 45?
No, ma'am, I'm saying that it can be 45 also.
I'm not getting what you want to say. Speak again.
Ma'am, the question is saying that an angle is 45 degree and
Not
what will be
45 degree, greater than 45 degree.
okay.
No problem, Garima. I'm explaining question number 8. Samraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm explaining question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degrees. So I have taken it as 46 degree. Can I take it like
Ma'am,
46? So its complementary angle, if I calculate its complementary angle,
I think it will be less than 40,
so
45.
90 minus 46, that will be its complementary angle. So it is 44 degree. So out of this three, what is the correct answer? It is less than
Less than
45
45. Yes, ma'am, that's
degree. Yes. So if an angle is greater than 45, then its complement will be less than 45. So have you understand question number 8, everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase and move to question number 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the adjoining figure, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? So I have just marked angle 1 and angle 2. You have to check, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? So when you check it, both this angle is having common vertex O and common arm OC. So we will say yes, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent to each other. Adjacent means like neighbors. So they are sharing the common
Common vertex
vertex.
and a common arm.
Correct. So common vertex is O and common arm is OC.
Ma'am, second one is no.
Second one is no. It is correct, Garima. How?
Ma'am, because ma'am, because vertex is O and the common arm is OA.
And common arm should be in between the two non-common arm. But if you look at AOC and AOE, so OC and OE are not in different directions. They are in the, like they are together with each other and they should be opposite to the common arm. So they are not opposite to the common arm. So we will say AOC and AOE are not adjacent angle. So third part is do COE. COE is this. And EOD. EOD is this. Do COE and EOD are forming a linear pair? So what does it mean? If I add this two angle, am I getting 180 degree? So you will say yes, because O is common vertex, OE is common arm, and non-common arms like OC and OD are lying opposite to each other. OC and OD are lying opposite to each other. So we will say, yes, they are making a linear pair. So whenever if we add two angle and we are getting a straight line, then we call it linear pair.
Ma'am, for the fourth one, it is yes.
Just a minute. Okay, what you are saying for the fourth one? Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Ma'am, the
fourth-
fifth one
fourth-
is yes.
Why fourth one is yes?
Ma'am, because both the angles have the vertex 0.
Both the angles has vertex O, and
O.
if I add both of this angle, then I am getting a straight line AB. So that is 180 degree. So I will say yes, they make supplementary angle.
Ma'am, fifth one is a yes because 1 and 4 are vertically opposite.
Correct. 1 and 4 are vertically opposite angle.
Ma'am, and the answer for last one, which is vertically opposite of 5, ma'am, I think it will be 2.
See, 5 is this, Rakshita. This is 5. So when you look at the vertex O, and when you look at this 5 angle, this is AOD angle. So it should make the X. So what it should be? COB, or you can say angle 2 plus 3.
Ma'am, but there is no angle like forming a uh, X. Ma'am, there is only 2.
2 plus 3. So the name of angle is angle COB.
Okay, ma'am. So we can add the angles to.
Yeah, we can
I was
add.
planning to do that, but I
Yeah,
thought we can't do that.
no, we can do it better.
Then, ma'am.
I'm written.
Okay. So let's move to question number 10. Indicate which pair of angles are vertically opposite angle. So you have to search the vertically opposite angle out of this diagram. So I can see 1 and 4 are vertically opposite angle. See this angle 1 and 4. They are making alphabet X. Isn't it? So you can say 1 and 4 are vertically opposite angle. Can you see anything else?
Ma'am, angle 5 and angle 2.
No, no, it is incomplete. जो रक्षिता ने किया था वही आप mistake कर रहे हो. Angle 5 is vertically opposite to this whole 3 plus 2. Understand, Garima? X बनाना है ना हमें पूरा. तो 5 के opposite कौन सा angle है? 3 plus 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any more angle which you are able to see? No. So these are the only vertically opposite angles present in this question. So can we proceed to linear pairs?
Okay, ma'am.
So linear pairs means if I add that two angle, that will be making a straight line. So I can say 5 and 1 are making linear pair. So what I can write? 5 comma 1 is one linear pair. What is another?
Second one, angle 5 and angle 4.
Angle 5 and angle 4 is again making a straight line. You are correct, Garima. 5 and 4. Yes.
Ma'am, these two only are making
These
the
two
linear
are
pair.
the linear pair. You are correct. So please write it down in your copy.
I'm done.
Rakshita, what about
Done,
you?
ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
So let's move to question number 11. In the following figure, angle 1 is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Give reason.
Ma'am, can I try, Garima?
Yeah,
Ma'am, no, because they do not lie on the same vertex.
correct. So we will say no because angle 1 and angle 2 do not lie on common vertex. हमने जब definition लिखी थी adjacent angle की, so we have written they must be having some common vertex and common arm. So here there is common arm. Common arm is this, but there is no common vertex. So we will say no, they will not be. कॉमन वर्टेक्स तो ये तो है गरिमा, दिस इज द कॉमन वर्टेक्स, ये इधर भी है इधर भी है, तो ये आंसर ठीक तो नहीं होगा, इसको और लिखना होगा. आंसर इज नो, बट द रीजन इज दैट नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स जो हैं इसकी, वो कॉमन आर्म के अपोजिट होनी चाहिए. जैसे ये नॉन कॉमन जो आर्म है ये एक इस डायरेक्शन में है और एक जो है वो उसी से अटैच होनी चाहिए. दैट नॉन कॉमन आर्म शुड बी अटैच टू द कॉमन वर्टेक्स एंड शुड बी अपोजिट टू द कॉमन आर्म. तो क्या लिख सकते हो? नो बिकॉज एंगल 1 and 2 non-common arms are not attached to common vertex. So it should be attached to the common vertex. तो यहाँ पे non common arm एक इधर जा रही है, एक दूसरी vertex से attached है. So this should not be the case. Non common arm should be attached to the common vertex.
I'm done.
Okay, so let's come to question number 12. You have to find the value of x, y, z. So you can look x and 55 are vertically opposite angle. Okay, so x and 55 are vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So what I am writing? Vertically opposite angles.
Ma'am,
Ah.
so whenever two angles are vertically opposite, their angles will be the same.
Yeah. So we got x is equal to 55. Now I can write 55 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. So these two are making linear pair and sum of this two angles should be 180 degrees. So I can write y is equal to 180 minus 55. So what it becomes? 125 degree. And y is equal to z. So z should also be equal to 125 degree. Or I can say y and z are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So I can say vertically opposite angles are equal.
Ma'am, it's 6:58.
Yeah, I have to finish up in 1 minute. So please do it fast. I have to start my class 9th at 7 p.m.
Done, ma'am.
What about Rakshita and Samraj?
Ma'am, I'm
ma'am.
done.
I'm
Ma'am,
done.
I have done the second part also.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yeah, do tell me fast.
Ma'am, angle X, it will be 40 degree.
40 degree.
40 degree.
No, that is incorrect. No problem. I will be discussing this
Ma'am,
question.
actually, I have to go somewhere, so can I leave?
Yeah. So we will be discussing it tomorrow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj.
Ma'am, angle Z will be 40 degrees, ma'am, because they are vertically opposite angles. Ma'am, angle Z.
Yes, it is correct. Z is 40 degree. Okay, so let's discuss it tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
बाय बच्चों. अयान और लियोना मैं 1 मिनट में ज्वाइन कर रही हूँ फिर से. आई एम जस्ट ज्वाइनिंग इट अगेन.